Good morning students. Today we are going to start the new topic of chapter 6, that is the triangle and its properties. The new topic is, like before that we have studied the difference between median and altitude. We have also studied exterior angle property of a triangle, which means that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Now today we will start angle sum property of triangle. The 6.3 which we are going to start in exercise 6.3, we will be using angle sum property of a triangle. Now there is a difference between exterior angle property and angle sum property of a triangle. What does this property says? This property says that in a triangle there are three angles. So this property says that sum means plus of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means if supposingly this is your triangle ABC, then angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree. Inside angles. This is about interior angles. Okay. In this property, no exterior angle is mentioned. So this is angle sum property of a triangle. कि triangle के जो तीन एंगल होते हैं अंदर वाले, इन तीनों को जोड़कर हमेशा 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए. Whether it is equilateral triangle, whether it is isosceles triangle, whether it is a scalene triangle, acute angle triangle हो, obtuse angle triangle हो या right angle triangle हो, any type of triangle it is, उसके तीनों एंगल को प्लस करके हमेशा कितना आना चाहिए 180 डिग्री. Now we will start first question of exercise 6.3. In question number 1, the question is find the value of unknown x in the following figures. Like this is the figure made. Okay, in this, here I am having x, here it is 50 degree and here it is 60 degree. This is first question, first part. Okay, we have to find the value of x. So, how we can find the value of x? We found that all the given angles are interior angles. Okay, and these are three angles of triangle. So, sum of three angles of triangle should be 180 degree. So what I will write, x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree should be equal to 180 degree. Now why this is 180 degree? Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, this is angle sum property of triangle. So x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 110, so x is equal to 70 degree, and this is our final answer. In this way the questions are very easy. The only thing that it's very important to mention the reason. And see, since in all the parts we are using angle sum property of triangle, so we will not write this property again and again. Only at the top of the question I will mention this property. See, this we will do when we are doing exercise. But in exams, since you will be having hardly one or two questions, so in that case you have to write the complete property. आपको पूरी property लिखनी है कि property क्या है. Similarly, moving to our second part. In second part, the diagram is like this. Here it is this marking. This marking means 90 degree. Okay. The name of this triangle was ABC. You can also write here in triangle ABC. Now in this 90 degree, the name of the triangle is PQR. Okay, here it is R and here it is Q. Angle R is equal to X and angle Q is equal to 30 degree. What we have to find? We have to find out the value of x. So again we know, okay, what does this sign mean? This sign means that angle P is equal to 90 degree. So how I will write? In triangle PQR, plus 90 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. So this part is again very easy. Now moving to third part. Third part you will do it by yourself. I will only tell you the answer. For third part, in triangle XYZ, x plus 30 plus 110 should be equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. 110 और 30 को प्लस करेंगे 140 डिग्री. So x is equal to 180 minus 140 degree. So what we will have? X is equal to 40 degree. This is the answer of third part. Now I will do fourth part. In fourth part, the diagram is like this. Like the triangle is not named, but here it is written x, and one more x is here, and this part is 50 degree. Okay, ये 50 degree है. Now we have to find x. So no need to worry that here I am having 2x, so how I will calculate the answer. The method is same. x plus 50 degree. अंदर की तीन एंगल हमारे क्या हैं? x और 50 degree. So on adding all these three, we should get 180 degree. एक x और दो x प्लस करने पे कितने x एक साथ प्लस हो जाएंगे. So 2x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 50 degree. So 2x is equal to 130 degree. Okay. So x is equal to 130 upon 2. So x is equal to 65 degree. This is the final answer for fourth part. Similarly, when you will do the fifth part. In fifth part, let's see. After fifth part, we will move to sixth part. In sixth part, the triangle is like this, and x. Like all the three angles of triangles are x. So what we will do? The method is same. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. Reason is same. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So how many x are there? 3x. 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 upon 3. So x is equal to 60 degree. Like we will solve it by using the method of simple equations. 3 and x are in multiply. So we will divide it by 3. Now similarly moving to 7th part. In 7th part, this was 5th part. And now 6th part. In 6th part, the diagram is like this. A right angle triangle is there because here 90 degree symbol is made. And this angle is x and this angle is 2x. So nothing, it's same, x plus 2x plus 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Whenever you will find this square at the corner, it means that the angle is 90 degree. So x plus 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, every time you have to mention this reason. Without reason, your marks will be deducted. 1x and 2x. पूरे कितने x हो गए? 3x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to, now this 90 is in plus. So when it will move here, it will become minus. Equal के उस तरफ जाते ही sign change हो जाते हैं. Then 3x is equal to 90 degree. Now x is equal to 90 by 3. 3 is in multiply, so it will come and divide. X is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so I hope you all have understood that how we can find out the value of unknown angle by using angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle is applicable on all the three interior angles of triangle. Now similarly, moving to our question number 2. In this also we are having so many diagrams, and now we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, दो एंगल आपको निकालना है, x भी निकालना है और y भी निकालना है. Now this is the diagram. Here x 50 degree and then y and then 120 degree. Okay, now see, now in question number 2 we will be using all those properties which we have studied before. Like we can use vertically opposite angle. Okay, if somewhere we will find that two lines are intersecting, we can use linear pair. If we will find there is a line, one angle is given and the another angle is unknown. ठीक है, linear pair भी use कर पा रहे हैं हम लोग, vertically opposite angle भी use कर सकते हैं. Parallel lines वाला हम नहीं use कर सकते. Why? Because in triangle there will be no parallel lines and transversal. Okay, now for triangle का हम exterior angle property भी इसमें use कर सकते हैं wherever needed, and we can use angle sum property of triangle also. ठीक है, तो हम कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं जिससे भी हमारा आंसर आ जाए. लाइक व्हेन आई विल लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन, तो मुझे सबसे आसानी से जो एंगल मिल रहा है वो क्या मिल रहा है, y. कैसे? क्योंकि मुझे दिख रहा है कि y और 120 जो है ये मिलकर एक लाइन बना रहे हैं, विच मीन्स दे आर फॉर्मिंग अ लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है, तो लीनियर पेयर की हेल्प से मैं y आसानी से निकाल लूंगी, और उसके बाद एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से मैं क्या निकाल लूंगी, x. दो एंगल पता है, बस तीसरा एंगल अननोन है. एक तो ये तरीका है. दूसरा तरीका क्या है कि एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करके मैं x निकाल लूं, क्योंकि x प्लस 50 करूंगी तो क्या आना चाहिए, 120 डिग्री एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. और फिर x निकालने के बाद y को मैं लीनियर पेयर से भी निकाल सकती हूँ और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से भी निकाल सकती हूँ. नाउ लिसन, इन दिस एवरी चाइल्ड कैन हैव डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल. सपोजिंगली किसी के दिमाग में लीनियर पेयर पहले आया तो वो पहले y निकाल लेंगे, किसी के दिमाग में एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी पहले आई तो वो क्या निकाल लेंगे, x निकाल लेंगे. तो मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले लीनियर पेयर आया, सो आई विल फाइंड आउट y. सो हाउ वी विल डू दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट y प्लस 120 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. रीजन आई विल मेंशन लीनियर पेयर. ओके, then y is equal to 180 minus 120 degree, so y is equal to 60 degree. Very simple. Okay, आप देख के भी बता सकते हो, ये 120 तो ये 60 होना चाहिए, तभी 180 बनेगा. Now coming to x. x के लिए हम कैसे लिखेंगे, x plus y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, and this time reason is angle sum property of triangle. Okay, now listen, if two angles we have to find out, then at least we should have two reasons in the solution, at least. Okay, we can have more than this also. So x plus y की जगह 60 लिख दिया मैंने, plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then this, on adding this I will get 110 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 110, x is equal to 70 degree. So in this way our answer is done. We have find out the value of both x and y. Now we will move to second part. So now we are moving to second part. In second part, students, now I will not write here the complete solution. If some part is difficult, I will write the complete solution, and for easy parts I will only give you directions that how you can do. Like for second part, this is the diagram. Okay, here you can see that two lines are intersecting. This is y and this is 80 degree. So by observation also you can say that what can be the value of y. ठीक है, तो y को तो मैं देखते ही बता दूंगी कि दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, then y is equal to 80 degree. Reason very simple, vertically opposite angle. Okay, two lines are intersecting, they are forming vertically opposite angle. Now x we can find out, y पता है, 50 पता है, और x निकालना है. So these are the three angles of triangle. So angle sum property. Again x plus y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so x we have to find out. Y is 80 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. So what we have, x is equal to 180 minus 130, x is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so this is the solution for second part. Similarly, third part is very easy. You can do it by yourself. The diagram is made like this. Like here is the unknown angle x and unknown angle y. Now this is 50 degree and this is 60 degree. This part is same as first part, जैसे हमने first part में किया. सबसे easily आपको क्या निकल सकता है? y. क्यों? क्योंकि y जो है हमारा एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से निकल सकता है. फिर x भी easily निकल सकता है. दो तरीके हैं. x को या तो आप y निकालने के बाद लीनियर पेयर से निकाल लो, या फिर x को डायरेक्टली निकालना चाहते हो तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी भी यूज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? देखो, x के अपोजिट में कौन से इंटीरियर एंगल है? 50 और 60 अपोजिट में. सो x इज इक्वल टू, डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट 50 प्लस 60 डिग्री. रीजन, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, सो x इज इक्वल टू 110 डिग्री. पहले x निकाल लिया. अब y निकालने के दो तरीके हो गए, या तो लीनियर पेयर निकाल लो या फिर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सो आई थिंक लीनियर पेयर विल बी इजी. 180 degree, reason linear pair. Okay, and x we know that is 110. So what will be y? Y is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. So y is equal to 70 degree. Okay, in this way we can complete our third part. Now moving to fourth part. In fourth part, again the diagram is very simple. This kind of diagram is made. Here the angle is x and this angle is 60 degree. Okay, this angle is y and here it is 30 degree. So just by observation we can say that these two lines are intersecting. So x is equal to 60 degree by vertically opposite angle, and x plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, the value of x we know, 60 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. When you will solve it, 60 plus 30, 90. 90 will go in subtraction. Y is equal to 90 degree. I have not done here the few steps, so you can complete those steps and can get the solution. Similarly for fifth part is, the diagram is exactly like this. Okay, here I am having 90 degree. This is y, x and x. Very simple. So again y is equal to 90 degree. Direct, vertically opposite angle. Okay, and then these are three angles. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so x plus x will be 2x and this is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. So what I am having, 2x is equal to 90 degree, x is equal to 90 by 2. So x is equal to 45 degree. This is the final answer. Y also we have found out and x also we have found out. Now in sixth part, the diagram will look quite different for you. Sixth part आपको थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा क्योंकि उसके डायग्राम में एक भी एंगल नहीं दिया हुआ है. Okay, not a single angle is given. So let's see how we can find out the sixth part. For sixth part, the diagram is like this. Okay, now in this, here it is x, again x and again x. Okay, and this is y. Now, no angle is given. Now we can see that they are vertically opposite angle. So we know that x is equal to y. इतना तो मुझे समझ में आ गया कि x और y क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे. Okay, if this is x, then this will also be x, and this will also be x. क्यों? In diagram you can show कि these are vertically opposite angles, so that are x. So now what we can write? X. Now these are the three interior angles. We don't have any property to find out these outer x. लेकिन inside के लिए हमारे पास property है x plus y is equal to 180 degree, and reason is angle sum property of triangle. इस क्वेश्चन में बस बेटा इतना डिफरेंस है कि जो बाहर x दिए हुए हैं इसको निकालने की मेरे पास कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, लेकिन अगर यही चीजें अंदर होती है देन आई कैन फाइंड आउट द एंगल्स. तो मैंने बस वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल से ये बता दिया कि ये दोनों चीजें इक्वल होंगी. ओके, देन 2x is equal, sorry, this y will also be written as x is equal to 180 degree, क्योंकि x और y इक्वल है. रीजन यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. नाउ 3x is equal to 180 degree, so x is equal to 180 by 3. X is equal to 60 degree. Okay, if x is 60 degree, then y will also be 60 degree, because both x and y are equal. So in this way we have completed our exercise 6.3. I hope that how we can use exterior angle property, angle sum property, linear pair and vertically opposite angle to find the value of any unknown angles. So now you all can complete this exercise in your notebook. The next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, students.